Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is a Chrysler Group certified 2016 Jeep Grand Cherokee Laredo 4-wheel drive, stock number E1642P. 31,000 miles and that's one owner. Comes to us with a clean auto check history report, velvet red in color. To be Chrysler Group certified, a vehicle goes through a very strict 125-point inspection. Give you the balance of a 3-year, 36,000 mile bumper to bumper and a 7-year, 100,000 mile powertrain warranty. Also receive an additional 3-month, 3,000 mile maximum care coverage. Seats 5, cloth interior. Split seat back folds down to accommodate longer cargo items. Grand Cherokee is a very safe vehicle, 5-star front and side government crash rating with backup camera, along with rear parking sensors. Lots of cargo space in the rear. Hooks on both sides. Perfect for keeping plastic grocery bags secure. Additional underfloor storage with removable bins for easy cleaning. And speaking of clean, no dents or dings in the body. This Laredo has keyless entry, power windows, locks, mirrors, power driver's seat, along with a tilt and telescopic steering wheel to put you in that perfect driving. Push button start. Large, easy to read gauges with driver information system. Controlled by buttons on the steering wheel. Cruise control. Paddle shifters for the 8-speed automatic transmission. 8.4-inch touchscreen infotainment system for radio. It's also satellite radio capable. You can connect various media devices. Dual zone automatic temperature control to make sure everyone's comfortable. Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use or to connect other Bluetooth enabled devices. Great for wireless music streaming. And that is of course where the backup camera display is. Hard keys below for the things used most often. That 8-speed automatic transmission. And lots of storage space in the armrest. Spacious glove box. Under the hood, this Grand Cherokee has a 3.6-liter V6, 293 horsepower. And just as clean under the hood as the rest of the vehicle. EPA fuel economy estimates an average of 18 miles to the gallon in the city, average of 25 on the highway, and ready to go with new tires. Don't forget about that Chrysler Group certification, protecting your investment. For more information, please go to SheboyganAuto.com.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.